So for sorting, as you can see, we got A to Z and Z to A. It's very simple, just like that. But again, you have to know it. Can sort it directly. Let's say I wanted to sort this particular email address. Okay. I can select this particular column and go and sort here. Simple. Sort ascending. All automatically everything is sorted. Let's say first you have sorted this and now you wanted to sort the other one. Okay. You can still use that. Maybe you can use, you want to sort some other thing, maybe marital status, or maybe you wanted to use some other, maybe title. Okay. So I can use still the other one. So basically what happens is, even this is sorted now. The only thing is it is sorted after this. Okay. So like that, multiple sortings can be applied. Okay. So you can see there's a sorting applied. And also sorting can be done not only with this option, of course, whatever options we are studying, right? Whatever options we are looking at on the top, most of the options are also directly available for you in a click of a button. We have seen already, like right click and remove columns. So this was available here on the top, but again, it is also available on the right click. Similarly, we have a lot of options available on the right click. Okay. So we can just habituate like whichever is easy for you. So usually there's an option for sorting also directly on the column. You can see, I'll show you. Select this column and there is an option here on the drop down filter like option is there. You can click on this and here you can see sort ascending, sort descending. The same sorting options are available here directly. Okay. So you can use this. Usually I use this right click because it's very easy for me to select this, and so you can use this also, sort ascending, sort descending. It also does the same job.